Your age does not define your maturity. Your grades don't define your intelligence, and your rumors don't define your character. Some people are just like clouds. When they disappear, the day gets beautiful. Stay original and let the world copy you. If plan A failed, remember 25 alphabets are still there, so stay cool. तुम जो भी काम करो उसे अपना 110% दो, ताकि बाद में ये ना सोचना पड़े कि ये मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं किया। एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, जलने वालों की तो रूह भी जलानी है। Believing in oneself is the most important thing, and YouTube has boosted this confidence in me. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning.